Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're pulling back the curtain on the fascinating world of manufacturing. We're going to explore how some everyday items, from the golf course to your kitchen, are made. Buckle up, because we're in for a wild ride through the intricate processes and ingenious engineering that bring these products to life. So grab your hard hat and safety glasses, and let's get started. Ever wonder how golf balls get those perfect dimples? It's not magic, but it's pretty darn close. It all starts with a rubber core, giving the ball its bounce and power. Think of it like the engine of your swing. Next, the core is enveloped in a layer of super durable synthetic resin. This acts like the ball's armor, protecting it from all those impacts on the fairway and maybe a few trees. But here's the really cool part. Those dimples aren't just for looks. They're strategically designed to improve the ball's aerodynamics, helping it soar through the air like a perfectly thrown football. Finally, each ball is polished to a shine and customized for professional play. Remember CDs? Those shiny discs that used to hold all our music? Well, they might seem like ancient artifacts now, but their manufacturing process is fascinating. It all begins with polycarbonate plastic, a material known for its strength and clarity. This plastic is heated to a molten state and then injected into a mold, where it cools and solidifies into the familiar disc shape. Next comes the magic. A thin, reflective layer of aluminum is applied to the disc. This layer is what allows lasers to read the data stored on the CD. And how is that data stored? It's all thanks to microscopic pits and lands on the surface of the aluminum, which are interpreted as ones and zeros by a laser beam. After rigorous quality checks, the CDs are printed with labels and packaged, ready to deliver your favorite tunes. Let's face it, ketchup is the king of condiments. But have you ever wondered how those juicy tomatoes transform into that tangy goodness? The journey begins in the fields, where ripe red tomatoes are harvested at the peak of flavor. Next, they're whisked away to the factory, where they undergo a thorough washing and crushing process. This creates a vibrant tomato paste that forms the base of our ketchup. But the real magic happens when we add the secret sauce, a blend of spices, vinegar, and sweeteners that gives ketchup its signature tangy flavor. The mixture is then cooked to perfection, ensuring the flavors meld together beautifully. Finally, it's bottled, sealed for freshness, and shipped off to supermarkets and restaurants worldwide, ready to elevate your fries, burgers, and beyond. Compact microscopes are like pocket-sized portals into unseen worlds, but don't let their small size fool you. These instruments are packed with precision engineering. It all starts with the lenses, the heart of any microscope. High-quality glass is carefully shaped and polished to create lenses capable of magnifying even the tiniest details, revealing the hidden structures of our world. These lenses are then meticulously mounted into a lightweight frame, designed for portability and ease of use. And because seeing those microscopic wonders clearly is crucial, compact microscopes are often equipped with bright LED lights to illuminate the specimen. Bamboo flooring has become increasingly popular, and for good reason. It's not only stylish but also incredibly sustainable. But how do those fast-growing bamboo stalks transform into durable flooring? The journey starts in carefully managed forests, where bamboo grows at an astonishing rate. Once harvested, the stalks are sliced into strips and treated to resist pests and moisture. These bamboo strips are then laid out in a specific pattern and bonded together using heat and adhesive. This process creates strong, stable planks that can withstand years of foot traffic. The final step involves sanding and finishing the planks to enhance their natural beauty and durability, making them ready to grace your home. So there you have it, a glimpse into the amazing world of manufacturing. From the intricate dimples on a golf ball to the precision engineering of a compact microscope, everyday objects are full of hidden complexities. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our constant drive to innovate and improve. What surprised you the most about these manufacturing processes? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey behind the scenes, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more explorations into the world around us. Until next time, keep those gears turning and never stop questioning how things are made.